Hi,
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. Thanks for asking. Okay, Prisha, so you completed your work, right?
Yeah,
Okay, let me drag your work. So, while completing work, did you find any doubt?
yeah.
Okay, which questions?
I don't remember the exact questions.
Okay, so, all right. So I'm just bringing your homework in front of you right now. So that was test 15 and 16, right? Test 15 and 16, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, is my screen visible now?
Yes.
Yeah. So here it is. Um, from here, right?
Yep.
So you can see now. You can just let me know which questions did you find difficult here. Do you have book with you?
Not that big, but I've got a pencil and paper.
What? What did you say?
I don't have this book. Like I don't have that book, but I've got a pencil and paper.
Pencil and paper. Okay.
Okay, so I was unsure about three. I put like a line in it. I was unsure about that because I don't know if so. If you took the H away, it's boot, and I didn't really understand why you would add an H to get to like make to add a H to hop. Like I don't know if it's a word. So, but if you try all of the other words, none of them make sense. So I thought this is what I should do. From the first word, take it away, and if it doesn't make sense in that one, check all of the others, and that has to be the answer. And probably there's a word that you don't know.
Right. Okay. So that's how you just try to answer it, right?
Yeah,
Hmm.
is it
Okay.
correct?
Hmm. And like this one, how did you answer? Like
Which
this
one?
one first, first one and that.
So the first one, I took the T away, hink doesn't make sense. I took the H away, tink doesn't really make sense. I took the I away, thunk doesn't make sense. I took the N away, thick makes sense. No, the thick could make sense, but you wouldn't like where would you put an N in now? So I didn't think of that. Then you take the K away, thin is a word, and now can be now, like it's because it's the same thing. It's a synonym. I mean not a synonym, homophone, so yeah. So I think K would be the first one.
Right. So the new words become like thin and no, K and W, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. That's correct. And what about next? Wins, hip.
So wins I took the W A inch doesn't make sense. I away wins doesn't make sense. And Weiss doesn't really make sense. C wine makes sense. Take the C away, hip becomes chip. So the two new words are wine and chips. Chip.
Yeah. Great. Nice. And what about fourth one?
Take the W away, Eve doesn't make sense. Take the first E away, wave is a word. And then for pot, you can have poet.
For pots, you can have
Poet.
Poet.
The two
Okay.
words are wave and poet.
Correct. So now the question comes for third. So here you observe booth, and that is hope. What about the word if I say it may become hoop? Do you know what does it mean by hoop?
Hoop.
Yeah.
Double.
Yeah. HOOP.
Oh, hoop is like a big where you do I know what you mean.
Yeah, a
Like
large kind of metal or plastic ring.
oh cool, yeah. Where you can
Yes,
do hula
right.
hoop it.
Yes, we just play like with that
Yeah.
in circular motion, right?
But is
So
boss a
that is,
word?
sorry?
Is boss a word?
Yes, both means two of the people, like both of you.
Both. Yeah, right. Yeah, I didn't think of that.
Yeah. Okay, so choose the word that has similar meaning to the words in both sets of bracket. Underline your answer. So, yeah, did you solve it properly or you found some doubts in it?
Yes, I think fifth kind of could be correct. Six is not incorrect. Seven is probably is correct. And eight I didn't know could I put a line through it.
Okay. So the like kind of short confusion in that. So the
Yeah.
fifth one is okay. So you may explain how you attempted fifth one.
So I saw that port and dock. What does dock and port mean? Port and dock means where ships like enter from the world. And shelter and hide means like a home or where you can just like stay in. So protect would it have that has nothing to do with dock. But
Mhm.
marine, I don't know what that is. But I don't think it means to do with shelter.
Marine is related to something like underwater.
Okay, so yeah, submarine, yeah. That's nothing to do with shelter, but it's something to do with dock. And then conceal is about shelter and hide, but it doesn't mean dock. Quay is I have no idea.
Hmm.
And then
Um,
harbor, yeah.
yeah.
What were you gonna
What are you
say?
saying?
Like
Yeah.
what does quay mean?
That is actually a kind of platform where goods and passengers are loaded. Off
Okay.
boats, you can say, right?
Okay, so that's not dock. But then a harbor, I thought it means dock, but I didn't know if it means hide. But the other one doesn't make sense, so it's got to be harbor.
Yeah, that's correct. So you just used elimination method, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So for the next one, yeah, for the next one, hit and spar can carton can. So thump means nothing to do with carton. It means to hit someone, like not a hit. It means to like thump something on the floor. Like I don't think it's correct. And then like a fight means to have a fight. So that's nothing to do with carton. It might be to do with hits if you're hitting someone in the fight. Box is like a carton, but it doesn't mean hit or spar or something like that. And then slap is when you hit someone, but it's nothing to do with carton or anything. And then package has something to do with carton, like carton is package how you pack something. I didn't know if hit or spar or something, but if others I think is not right, so there's gonna be that one like I did in the first one.
right? Do you know what does it mean by spar?
No, but if I know hit, then hit is probably the same as bar.
Yeah. Yeah, spar is basically a thick, strong pole, such as it can be used for mast or yard on a ship. Mast, mast, that long mast that actually works with wind. Have you seen ship?
Yes.
Yes. So there is a long kind of stuff that is called mast, right? That is called a spar. So spar
Mm-hmm.
makes the motions of boxing, handing heavy blows as form of training. So it actually relates with box. That is something to do with the meaning actually. So spar is nothing but a kind of um, mast that is used on a yard or ship, and that actually make the motions of boxing without landing heavy blows.
Oh,
Yeah. So
okay.
that would relate with box. So here, like it was related to meaning.
And for the next one, what does span mean?
Sorry,
What does
spurn.
span? Yeah.
Yeah, spurn basically means to refuse something or somebody who has some offered you something like kind of things. So you
Okay.
have refused. Yeah. So
And what does debris mean? Debris.
debris. That is not debris. That is debris. Debris means waste, like kind of pieces
Okay.
from something that has been destroyed, or
And
especially in an accident.
disdain.
Yeah.
Disdain.
Are you asking the meaning of disdain?
Yes.
Yeah. So disdain basically means kind of avoidance, like you avoid something, then that is called, or hate something, disdain.
Okay. So my answer was refuse because waste means don't want it, put it in the bin, do nothing with it. Decline and reject means you're saying no to someone. So spurn is decline and reject, but I don't think it has anything to do with rubbish and waste. Litter is rubbish and waste, but it's nothing to do with like saying no to someone. Debris
Yeah.
debris was uh what was it? What was debris?
Debris is kind of waste that has been found after a kind of accident or what. So that is called debris. Debris is something, the pieces of something that has been destroyed.
Okay. So debris has something to do with rubbish, but not anything to do with reject and saying no to someone. Disdain had nothing to do with waste or reject. What was the meaning again?
Yeah.
What was the
Sorry.
meaning?
Dis-
What was the
Disdain.
yeah?
That is something which you do not give value, or you hate something. That kind of thing.
Oh right, yes, yes. Yes. So that could be like similar to saying no that I don't want it, but kind of. It's nothing to do with rubbish or waste. So I use put refuse because refuse means to say no, like I am refusing to go to this. Like in rubbish and waste, like refuse is I think it's a type of litter that you can just refuse to put in the bin.
Right.
Well, that's bad
So
stuff.
refuse can be synonym with
With SPaG.
like how did you correlate it and find answer?
Because I saw the others aren't anything. Refuse means decline, and I think I've heard reviews refuse in a different tone as well.
Hmm. Okay. And like in this question, when it is about assign and trust, emissary and voy. So you did not attempt this question, right? Let me know like what happened in this question. You were unable to find meaning of something or what?
So I don't know what entrust mean. I don't know what emissary mean. I don't know what envoy means. I don't know what delegate means. I don't know what consign mean. I don't know what bequeath means. So I don't know anything.
And trust means to make someone, okay, I'm helping you. I just want you to do this, guess the answer, okay?
Yeah.
And trust means to make somebody responsible for something. I'm entrusting you to be the head of this organization. It means I'm giving you responsibility. So to make
Okay.
somebody responsible for something, right?
Okay. So giving
And
the opportunity to
right,
someone. Okay.
giving the
Opportunity to someone to like show
yes,
me how they
yes,
behave.
yes, as but as responsibility, yeah.
Yeah.
An emissary means a person who is sent somewhere, especially to another country, in order to give somebody an official message or to perform a special task, who has been
Okay.
assigned a work in a different country, who has been
Uh-huh.
sent somewhere else. Yeah, so that is called emissary.
No, I don't get it. So when someone gets sent to do something in there or leave the
Yes,
country.
it basically means like a person who is sent somewhere, especially to different country,
Okay.
in order to give somebody official work, like official message. Mm. Like I just sent my messenger to America to just deliver some of the stuff from here in this country to that country. So that would we call
Huh? Yeah.
emissary. Got that?
Uh-huh. Yep.
Yeah. Okay. So and now next word is envoy. So envoy means basically a person who is sent by a government with a
Uh-huh.
message to another country. So that relates with the word emissary.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Okay. So we see like assign relates with entrust because assign means also to give someone responsibility or responsible for, and entrust means also same. So emissary means also same, and envoy means also same. A person who is sent generally to different country to give a message, right? So
Uh-huh.
now we need to find the meaning. Do you know meaning of delegate? Delegate?
No.
Yeah. So delegate basically means I can't see your face. It doesn't mean I can't see your face. Delegate means a person who has been chosen to speak or take decision for a group or people or community or country. So this could be an option. Okay. Um, it means
No, I don't get what delegate.
to give somebody with a lower job or position um, kind of a particular task to do, like a person who has been chosen to speak or who has been chosen to do a particular task
Okay, yeah.
for a group
Yeah.
or community.
Yep.
Yes. So that is the meaning of delegate. And now when we are talking about the word consign, right? So consign basically means to put or send somebody or somewhere, especially in order to get rid of them. It means we want to we want to refrain from those personalities. So it is something like that. Consign, like to put someone or something to get rid of some of the stuff, right? So it would be like I just like an example. I just want to consign from the rudeness of my boss. It means I want to get rid of the
Yeah.
rudeness of my boss. And next,
Bequest.
yes, next word is bequeath. So bequeath basically means to leave, like something like it is related to a word that actually is used to arrange for something to be given to somebody after you have left a place, or perhaps some, like for example, It is more clearly when we get something like in India it happens like somebody dies and after that the property is forwarded to the coming generation. So that is called um, bequest. I don't know I'm able to explain it or not, but bequest is something like it is kind of arrangement after somebody leaves the life or somebody goes away, then that property has uh, to turn to the person who is son or like daughter, the coming generation. Are you getting that?
Yeah. What does entrust mean again? I forgot.
Entrust means to make someone responsible for something.
Yeah. And what does emissary mean? An envoy.
Emissary, yes, emissary means to send some person or something um,
Okay.
for a community or a country. And same is envoy.
I think the answer is delicate. Delegate.
Yes, because that relates with that. Yeah, correct. The correct answer is delegate. Delegate.
Yeah. I was gonna say, how long does this class, how long is it?
From now, it is, I guess, it's a 38, right? So would be,
38.
yeah. The class was about to revolve to 90 minutes, right? So this would be an hour only.
Okay.
Yeah. So the find the number that completes the final set of numbers. What is that? In the same word, first two sets. Write your answer.
Okay, I get it, yeah.
Yeah. So just explain to me the last question. I guess you got doubt in, and yeah.
Can I have 10?
Yes. Okay. Wait a moment. I'm giving you a pen. Yes, you're allowed.
So, what I do in this is, since it's 4 and 4 and
Yeah. Yeah.
uh, 4, 4 and 16, what I need to do is I need to try to like make some kind of relation between 4, 4 to get 16, or 16, 4 to get 4, 16, and this 4 to get 4, something like that. So in this case, it's 4 times 4 equals to 16 in the middle. And so I think times the outside to get the inside. But just check, they've given you another option that you can just check through. 3 times 7 should equal 3 times 7 should equal the middle, which is 27, and the middle is also 27. So now
Yeah.
you know that you have to do 7 times 11 to get your answer, which will get you the middle, which is 77. Easy.
Correct. Correct. Yeah.
In
Easy.
the next one, what I did was 25 and 15. Okay, I think I should write it
Yeah.
down. 15 and 25. Find the
Hmm.
middle number of it. So, middle number would be 15 plus 5 is 20. 25 take away 5 is 20. So, 20 will be the middle
Hmm.
number. And so, this is how they got 20 in the middle. And then 9 and 12 number would be 15 take away 3 is 12. 9 plus 3 is 12. So, that's how you get the answer for 9 and 15. But then, to find 14 and 18, you do 18 take away 1 is 17, and 14 take away plus 1 is 15. So 15 and 17 are different numbers. So 18 take away 2 is 16. 14 plus 2 is also 16. Because I wanted to try and explain how I do it, this is how I do it, but if it was 14 and 18, it just straight away comes to my mind that 16 is the answer. So I was just telling you how I did it. In the next one, what I probably did was, yeah, 12 plus 7 equals to 19. But the answer in the middle is 17. How? If you take away 2, it'll get you 17. First, I thought this might not be the right answer, so let me try this for the next one. 10 plus 6 equals to 16. 16 take away 2 equals to 14. Is it the right answer? There we go. So that's what you have to do. So we do 16 plus 6 22. Take away 2 is 20. My mistake, I did 16 plus 5, which is 21. But 20 would be the answer. So I get the logic of what we're doing, at least.
Right. So in this question, yeah.
Yeah. So I couldn't find the logic of what we need to do in this. Like how to solve it.
Right. This like first I can see like 3, 2 and 6. So the 2 3s are 6. But in then second case that is happening like
Yes.
it's not if we follow that pattern then it is not satisfying this.
54 should be the answer.
Yes. Like okay. So if according to that if I'm going then it would be like 2 7 ja 14. But I also see like this 6 and 6. This is not like 3 to the 3
Yeah,
to the
yeah.
6 and yeah 3 to the 6 but and 7 to the like. So this question is quite tricky here. 2 6 are 12 and then okay yes I got it 2 6 are 12. So here the logic is, let me wait. um so this you can see 6 to the 6 to the 12, right? Is that
Yep.
correct? Now to get this, yes, that's correct. We have to divide it by 4. So it will be 3. And now, same we'll be doing here. 6 into 6 is equal to 36. And then let us divide by 4. The answer
Yeah.
is 9. So same we can do in this as
So
well.
can I do the next one?
So yes, 7, correct. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So it's really hard to find the logic. And how did you do it?
And I just try to observe it. Because it was not being possible from that angle. Like I just tried to find simple logic, but that was not being possible with this number. So I have to think in this way, like the 6 6 the 36, and then I found like how 9 can be possible. So I just tried to see the logic, like how can I make it 9? So when I just tried to make it 9, I just found okay, I need to divide it by 4. So I just
4.
got it. Yeah, I got it. Okay, 9 is from this way. So then I tried to check this one. So I said, okay, 2
Yeah.
and then 6. So that's how I just found the answer because the first logic was not working. I guess that first logic you may also try, right? May have tried.
Yep. Yeah. I tried that logic.
Yes. So if one logic does not work, we have to jump to another logic, right? But the interesting fact is that even the second is not being satisfied. According to first logic, the answer could arrive, but we can't trust that all the time.
What?
Nothing actually. The first logic also helps in getting the answer, but that would not satisfy this. Like 3 to the 6 and 7 to the 14. I was just thinking in that way. Crazy.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
All
Next.
right.
We already discussed the next question.
We were about to discuss the next question.
Yeah. We
Oh,
already.
sorry, we already discussed. Yeah, yeah, got it. And this one?
Yeah.
Hmm. So that is
It's
similar
probably.
to the previous one.
So I did this. Where did my pen go? Oh my god, I can't write. So I did this on the question thingy. So if you see a number with this on it, that means I didn't understand it. So it says two groups of children are baking cakes following a recipe that uses eggs, flowers, butter, sugar, and baking powder. Neil, Hugo, and I are in one group, and Priya, Wayne, and Nancy are in a group too. So what I think is, what to do is, I will have to first write Neil,
Group.
then Hugo, then Aaron, and then make that line like I did yesterday. But then I would have to name them group 1. Then for group 2, if I do a different color, then I would have to do Wayne, Wayne, oh come on, Wayne, P, and Nancy. Then I would do these, and then this. So now if I do it in a different color for each one, it says, okay, so if I just rub this part out, it doesn't really matter because I did the different colors. Okay. Now, so okay. So Neil has eggs and chocolate chips. So where's Neil? Yeah. He has eggs and chocolate chips. And then Wayne has butter and sugar. So butter and sugar. Priya has got sugar and baking powder. Baking powder. Aaron has butter and flour. Butter and flour. Yeah, butter and flour. And then Nancy has baking powder and raisins. Baking powder and raisins. And then Hugo has flour and eggs. Hugo has flour and eggs. There we go, done. Okay. Now I can't read the following statements. So what should I do?
Wait, I can help you. Wait, I can. Is it now being possible?
Yes. Okay. Thank you. So now, if Hugo swaps with Priya, both groups will be able to bake. If Hugo swaps with Pira. So what does Pira have? So Pira has sugar, which Wayne already has, and she has baking powder, which Nancy already has. So what Priya has, we don't really need. I'm gonna call Priya P because it's really hard for me to say. So we don't really need the stuff that P has. So we can just cancel her out. And if we swap it with Hugo, he has flour. Do they already have flour? No. He has eggs. This team does not have eggs or flour. So Hugo will really help them. But then, if we check this side, flour, anyone has? Yes. The person with an egg already has flour in Hugo's team. And eggs, Nancy already has eggs, so we don't need what he has either. If we swap them, then P would. Did anyone have sugar in the first group? No one has sugar, so they need sugar. Did anyone have what was that, baking powder? Nobody has baking powder, so we need that. And flour. Does anyone need flour in baking group 2? I think no one has flour, so we'll take the flours. And eggs, nobody has eggs. So I think the first question is right. That without me help. if it's correct.
You picked E and you're saying A is right, right?
Yeah, I know. No, that I did this, so it doesn't mean that. It means I didn't get an answer.
Even that does not work. Like I did not understand your logic. What
Is it
you just
correct?
no, that's wrong. Just make me understand. How did you see this?
Wait, if
Yeah,
I take back.
yeah. Like it is asking us like what we need to do. And if the statements above are true, only one of the statements below cannot be true. Cannot be true. Which one? Circle the correct letter. Which
Oh, that
one?
cannot be true.
Cannot be true. Are
Okay.
you getting the question first?
Yeah, I didn't see cannot. I just thought that can be true. Okay. So it says if I look, it's in the second one. It said neither group has the right combination of ingredients. So on the top it says they need eggs. Does anyone have eggs in the group? Yep, there's eggs in group one. There's no eggs in group two. Okay, so that could no neither group. So okay, so they don't have eggs. This group doesn't have eggs. And then flour. This group has flour, but this group does not have flour. Okay, so butter. Uh, butter. Yeah, so butter. Both of the groups already have sugar. First group doesn't have, but the second does. And then powder, baking powder. Both of them have that. But then it says neither groups have the right combination, and none of them have the right combination. So it can't be that. It can't be that. Next, group one is missing two ingredients. So eggs. It has flour. It has butter. It has sugar. It does not have. So one thing is not missing. So this is right.
Like group one is missing two ingredients, it says, right?
Yep.
How many ingredients are there? Fine, like this is egg and this is sorry.
So there's six things that they're supposed. There's five things they're supposed to have. No, there's six things that they're supposed to have, and group one only has five. That means they have one missing, and it says two.
See again.
See what again? It cannot be true. So group one is missing two ingredients. Yeah.
Group one is missing two ingredients, it says.
It's not missing two ingredients.
Group has egg, butter, flour, egg, butter, flour, sugar, sugar and baking powder. Can you find like group one does group one have sugar and baking powder?
Oh, I took this as baking powder. BU.
So now what?
So if Wayne swaps his sugar for Neil's eggs, sugar. So Neil's eggs and Wayne's. Wait. So if I just rub this out fast. Let's see. Sugar And what was it? Eggs and sugar, yeah. Will group 2 be able to bake? Now, so they need egg. They don't have egg. Oh, they do have it if we swap it, yeah. So then flour. They don't have flour, so they can't bake it. So that's not the answer. So then E has to be the answer.
Wait. How do you see this? If Viney swaps his sugar for Neil's eggs, Viney swaps his sugar for Neil's eggs. Viney um, swaps his sugar. Okay, he just gives his sugar and takes eggs. Okay, so what would happen if Viney swaps his sugar for Neil's eggs, and then Viney, this side group is, what about flour? Flour is still missing in this case.
Yeah, I know. So it's wrong.
Yeah, so why don't you observe these things? So D is incorrect, right? And question was
Oh,
cannot be true.
I keep on forgetting that.
Yeah. Now go with Eve. Once check it this. Like we found like answer could be D. Now what E
Oh,
says, is that true?
group 2 has more sugar than it needs for the cake.
S as Wine and P.
Yes, it does have more sugar. That's correct. It can't be not
So
correct.
the answer would be D because that is incorrect.
Yeah,
And now the problem also arrived with you that like you did not read the question properly.
yeah,
Okay, you must be conscious while reading the question, right? So that is
yeah.
the thing. Now this one,
Okay.
toothpaste is to be, okay. You wrote tube. Juice is to um flow. Cartoon. Okay, just explain it to me.
So, so a toothpaste goes into a tube. So I thought it goes on top of a brush and
Yeah.
it is soft. And tooth so toothpaste goes into a tube on a brush and it's how it feels is soft. Juice is not water. Meaning like flow is like it does flow but it has nothing to do with toothpaste being in it, on it, or how it feels like. And then juice is in carton. So carton is when something like a liquid type is in it or anything. A carton is a box where you can put anything in it. You can put shoes or socks or literally anything. So you
Hmm.
can put juice in it. Like juice cartons do come. So we
Yeah.
would have juice comes goes into a carton and toothpaste goes into a tube. And then because I don't know what scanty, opulent, midwife, and lumberjack means, I couldn't do it.
Okay. So shall I help? Then you can do it.
Yeah.
So you asked first meaning, first word scanty.
Yes.
Scanty basically means too small in size or amount. And second word,
Meager.
omega. Do you know meaning of opulent?
No.
So opulent is something which is made or decorated with kind of costly or expensive material. Opulent, something which is decorated with expensive material.
What was scanty again?
Yeah, scanty means too small, and opulent means something which is decorated with expensive material.
And so scanty was something that is small.
Yeah. So that could
Okay.
relate with what?
That
You said
was
meager, right?
yeah.
Okay. You may underline that so I can see that.
No, meager was me. What is the meaning of meager?
You don't know the same like mega means too small in amount.
Okay. So my
I thought,
answers are, what does
yeah,
opulent mean again? I forgot.
something which is decorated with expensive material.
So scanty is this, and opulent is what was it
Um,
again? Can you give me the definition so I can think again?
expensive material, something decorated with expensive material, good and expensive material.
Um,
Opulent. Yeah, yep. Luxurious because that is also like decorated with expensive stuff. Luxurious car. Hmm, 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 hmm. Great, great. Now what happened in this?
I don't know what midwife and lumberjack means.
Midwife. Last time I just told you a kind of trick to when you are confused with words, you may use that. What
Well,
do you think? Like midwife, it is kind of it giving an idea.
so wife means a husband's
Mm,
wife, and then mid means the middle of something.
yes. Middle, not that maid. Okay, you're just mixing with the stuff. So this is something like a kind of maid or person who has been trained to help women, especially during a kind of pregnancy or when she is about to give birth to babies. So that
Uh-huh.
is called midwife. Okay.
No, I don't
Um,
get it.
I said midwife is a person, generally she's a woman, and she helps the woman, like when woman is pregnant and is about to give birth to a child. So she
Uh-huh.
needs assistance. So midwife is a person who helps the woman for giving birth.
Oh, okay.
Yes. And then you asked me the
Lumberjack.
question. Yeah. Lumber jack, right?
Yep.
So lumberjack basically means when it is kind of stuff which how I would explain it. A person who like fells trees, like cutting down and all the things, and then transport like for sawmill and all. So basically like lumber jack relates with the logs and all. Like you
Okay,
may
yeah,
have,
yeah.
yes, okay.
So I think the answers are
No, no, no. Lumberjack, I guess you did not understand. Lumberjack means a person who fells the tree down, like cutting it down. So that may relate with something else. Like I'm just cutting, yes, felling it, who fells it down. So that would be fell, correct. And midwife, now can you explain that? How did you do this?
yeah.
Explain that. How do you did this?
Your words like I can't hear you properly. You're like yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes, you just picked the deliver for midwife. How?
Because she helps the person deliver a baby. So that's what I thought.
Yeah, yeah, delivery. Okay. And lumberjack?
Fell because you said when you cut a tree with an axle
Yeah.
type, I can't do that. It will like fall onto the ground when you like cut it.
Mm, right. Okay. This was easy, I guess, fourth one, but explain it once.
So clouds like to. So planet means when there's a sun there, and a planet orbits around you. Like goes round in circles. Basically, what it means, like that.
Right. Orbit,
So
orbit, orbit.
it means it orbits around like that. But and so it moves by orbiting, and clouds they do rain. Clouds do make rain, but that's nothing to do with how a planet moves. So a cloud should
Yeah,
move. It floats around. The cloud will float around like this.
correct.
Slowly. That was easy. Yeah, this is very easy.
Okay. Yeah. So
Should
that
I
is
explain?
related to, yeah, you may do it shortly.
So B to E, it's +3. So M should be +3, which is P. So the word should start with. I mean, no. Wait, what? M +3 is P. So the word should start with a P, which means I got it wrong. And then K to O means 1, 2, 3, 4 +4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that means R means 1, 2, 3, 4. Meaning the answer should be PV. Third one.
So
And
why
then
did you do it wrong at that
I
time?
think so. What I did was when I supposed to do M +3 from M, I did 1, 2, 3. I counted the M as 1.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. And then so next is P to O. It take away 1, and S to N. It take away 5. So H. No wait. What P to N? P is here. S to N. Sorry. Yeah, take away 5. That means H. Take away 1 is G. And then T take away 5 is O. So G, O. And then W to Z is add 3. And then Z to T is 26, take away 20, meaning take away 6. So M +3 is P, and T to take away 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, meaning N. So PN is our answer. Let me see. PN. Right?
You did it correct in the beginning, but now you're telling me the wrong answer.
Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, yeah, it's PM, yeah.
Okay. Now next.
Okay. Now for the next one, A F to U is like from here to all the way here. So that's wrong. Because if it's like over 15 or letters, like lots of letters, then you don't do it. That means F to U and AZ. I know that they are mirror pairs. So L's mirror pair, I can literally solve that in 2 seconds because I know that the alphabet splits in M and N. So M and N are 1 and O and L would be 1. So
Yeah.
L's answer is O. And G, if this is
T.
9, this will be 7. And if this is 20, then from 26 take away 20 is 6. If I add 1, then that will be like me getting T.
Right. This is
Yeah.
just opposite mirror letter.
Yeah.
Do you know the trick to remember that?
Remember what?
The mirror letter A to Z, B to Y. You know that and trick?
No?
Okay, I can help you with this. Like A to Z, that is simple to remember. B to Y, that is
Yes.
also yes. Okay.
So can I tell you the words that I remember?
Yeah.
So A and Z I remember. Uh, B and Y I remember. C and X I remember from the starting. Um, M and N I remember. L and O I remember. R and I. Yeah, R and I remember. S and H I remember.
Okay.
Yeah, so yeah.
Anything else?
D and W I kind of remember. Like if you ask me, I can say in a few seconds. Yeah.
Okay. Now let me just work in a method like that helps in remembering the
Oh,
stuff.
and F and U. Yeah.
Great. So A to Z, B to boy. Okay. So we will remember boy, boy. Okay. So that will help me like boy is there, by. And then CX would be remember in this like 6, boy is of year 6, 6 years old boy. So
Uh
C would turn into X, 6, CX, CX. Like, this is a
oh.
kind of trick to remember.
Uh-huh.
CX, 6, CX, 6. Boy who has aged 6.
Uh-huh.
And then that 6-year-old boy who has aged 6, that boy is drinking dew. Do you know dew? Mountain dew? I
No.
don't know if that's popular or not. Okay, so that may not work for your country. Mm, DEW. That's not popular in a country, right?
No.
Okay, this is the word DEW. Okay, perhaps you do not know this, but do you know the DW news channel?
Like I can just remember D and W.
Okay, so there is no need to tricks. Okay, and E would turn into V, so that boy was drinking dew in the evening. Okay, in the evening. So EV that may be remembered with evening. So EV, right? And
Okay.
then
I think
you
it's too hard.
it's hard. Okay, then you can go with that. Actually, it helped me when I was learning reasoning. So I just
Oh.
used to create some kind of tricks to remember the stuff in a storage format. Okay, so all the things are correct except the one. You may correct it. Have you done correction? Where is your book? You do not have the book, right? First one was
No.
incorrect. So later you may do correction because if wrong
Yeah.
answers are there, then that will make you confused in future,
Yeah.
right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Now this one.
Yeah. So habit rage. I think it makes sense because habit rage is like I think it's a word. Like it sounds similar. Habit rage, something like that. And I just think it's a word. And then hurricane is obviously a word. It means like a thunderstorm or something like that. Selfish is a word, but in
You said
selfish,
habit. Wait a moment. You said
uh,
habit to raise is a word. What does it mean actually?
I don't know. I said I think it's a word because it just sounds similar when I like said it, like habit rose, habit rage, habitat. But
Habitat is
habitat,
okay.
but I don't know if it has a double T or not.
Actually, but that would not work because the double T can't be possible in that. So
Yeah.
here, like you said, habit trace, that is not a word particularly. So I just skipped this option. Now you may go with that, something else.
So habit rose,
Yeah,
ha- habitat, habitat. I don't know if it has double T in the middle, so I don't think it's correct.
yeah.
Um, corrose, don't make sense. Courage, courage. Could
That is
be a word.
another COU, but that is
Yeah,
not
yeah,
having.
so you,
Yeah.
yeah. And then curritat. I don't think that's a word. Primrose or primrose. I don't think it's
Yeah.
a word.
Yes, yes. Primrose is a word.
Is it? Oh, I
That
didn't know that.
means, yeah, that means that is a kind of flower, a kind of yellow spring flower. Yeah.
Okay. The hurricane is definitely correct. Selfish is wrong. I just noted because self, self, fish, double F. So that's incorrect. Skilldon is not a
Uh,
word. Skillfish is not a word.
yeah. In 10th question, how did you do that? 10th question.
Same thing. Deadlet, dead cane, deadlock, scare,
Deadlock.
scare cane, scarelock, hurrylet, hurricane, hurrylock. So hurricane makes sense. So I'll just put that down. And then
What
so
is it? What does it mean by hurricane?
it's hurricane is like a storm or something like big winds are everywhere. It's not like a tornado, but it's like a really big storm. That same. And then selfish is wrong because there's double F in each word. Skilldon, skillfish, skillful.
Hurricane is a word or a brand? Just let me know.
A word.
I don't find that word. Would you please explain it to me? Like hurricane, what does it mean by hurricane?
Like I thought that hurricane means something like a big storm. Like there's like hurricane outside. Don't go outside or something will happen. Like that type. That's what I thought.
So the spelling for that is
Is it not right?
Huri, sorry, Hurricane, not Hurry. The spelling for hurricane. I guess you're talking about that outburst, outbreak,
Okay.
right? So the spelling for that word, okay, let me write it. That is not
Hello.
Hurry. Am I audible? I
Hello.
said that word is this. Yeah,
Hello.
not. Am
I
I
can't hear
audible?
you if you're talking.
Yes, hello.
Like I can hear, like you're talking, and then I can. You're talking, and then I can hear a bit of it, and then you stop talking.
Am I audible
Hello.
now? Yes, am I audible?
Yes.
What happened?
Yes.
I said hurricane you picked. The spelling for that is not Hurry. That doesn't make sense. So I was asking that what is the meaning of this hurricane? The meaning you told me that relates with this word.
Which word?
Hurri, not Y,
Oh,
but it is Y.
so is that incorrect?
So that is incorrect. But there can be a word deadlock.
Oh
Do you know what does it mean by deadlock?
no.
Um, Deadlock basically means like something kind of stop or what. Um, Something which is banned that can also be something. So there is a deadlock on that road because there was an accident or
That's traffic, like dead traffic.
yes, the traffic and something like a situation in which two sides cannot reach an agreement. That can also be that thing.
Okay.
Try to break the deadlock. Like if I have disagreement with you, I can also use this word. For example, on some cases, you do not agree with me. So I would say try
Yep.
to break the deadlock between us.
So I disagree with you.
So try to break the deadlock.
Okay. Yeah.
So the answer is deadlock. Okay.
Uh huh.
You may you may correct these later because that
Yeah.
will
Yeah.
confuse in future. Skill 10. Now just explain that. That's okay, but you may explain it to me. That
What?
how did you see
Explain.
this? Mm, like
Which question?
skill done and 11th. How did you solve 11th one?
So I put down selfish, the word, but then
But
I saw
yes,
that the words, if I join them together, real life, self,
yeah,
and then fish, there's a double
yeah,
F in this. So this is not the
yeah,
answer. So
right.
then
You got
I
correct.
tried. skilledon, skillfish, skillful, tendon, tenfish, tenful, selfdon, selfish, selfful. So
Yeah.
I don't think any of them are answers.
No, there is a word like firstly, skillful could be answer, but that has only one L, so that can't be the answer, right? So
Oh,
yeah, there is a word tendon.
oh,
Um, so tendon basically means a strong or thin part inside your body that joins a muscle or bone. So that is called tendon.
oh,
Some yeah part inside your body that joins a muscle to a bone, muscle
uh-huh,
to a bone. That is called tendon. It is generally like in
yeah,
our knee and like some kind of joint slit. That is
uh-huh,
called the
yeah,
that joins bone to the muscles, right?
yep. I
Tendon.
get what you mean.
Now side angle. Okay, side angle you just put it. But how can it be a word? Side angle, side board can be a word, but side angle. How do you define this? Like side angle.
So like yellow board can't be a word. Yellow
Yes.
can't be a word because it will be yellow
Triple L can't be possible.
oh.
No. Yeah, no,
Yeah.
no, not possible.
Yellow angle won't be a word. Sideboard won't be a word. Side low won't be a
Sideboard.
word. Side.
Wait. How can sideboard not be a word? Haven't you seen like when you're moving, like there's a sideboard that has a sign.
Oh. Nope.
You haven't heard this word? Sideboard?
Nope. Nope. Nope.
Hmm.
Nope.
Okay, then s- um, I'm just trying to explain it. A type of low cupboard about as high as a table. Um, like that is used for storing plates, something like kind of deck stuff. We keep the stuff over it. So a type of cupboard uh, that is kind of height in a great height, like in
Uh-huh.
table, and we keep the things like
Yeah. Yeah.
plates and other things. So that is used for dining, like eating and stuff. So
Oh,
that
I
is
didn't know
called
that.
sideboard. Hmm?
I did not know that.
So
I don't
sideboard is
even know the word.
yes. Side angle can't fit in that one word. So
Yeah. Yeah.
that may not be possible. But sideboard is a word because you did not know the word, so it's okay.
Yep. Okay.
Now,
So the next one is the same. I didn't quite understand it. But the first one, what I did was I actually forgot what I did. So I did 12 plus 5, which is 17. 19 plus 8, which is 27. And 14 plus 7, which is 21. Actually, that was really easy. And then the rest I didn't really understand, like what the logic was again.
what is the logic in 13th question?
You add the outside numbers to get the first number. 12 plus 5. 12.
All right. Okay. Got it.
Yeah. But I don't understand the logic for the other three.
Yeah, it's kind of tricky. Let us see. So here we have 8. Hmm. So it is giving 8, right? First, 8, 8 divided by 4, that is equal to 2, but it is 8. So if we have 1 to 8, then it would be 4. Okay, let's try this one. And if this like 18 divided by 6, it is equal to 3. Then if we are doing 4, no, that's not the giving logic. Hmm. Okay, then something else we'll try. 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. And how much we should add? 6.
So 8.
And 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. How much we add? 6. Yeah, that works. I found the logic. Did you find that?
No.
See, firstly I tried this one, but this did not work. So let me erase this. This did not work. So this finally worked, right? So the logic is 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2, right? And then I'm adding plus 6 in this. The same here. 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. Then I'm adding 6 into it. So the answer arrives. So same I will do here. 48 divided
14.
by, yes, 8. So this will be what? 6. And then 6. No, 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 wait. 48. That will be 12, right?
Oh yeah, I did 8 plus 6.
Okay, yeah. So 12 is answer. Okay.
Yep.
A good question. It was a good question. That made me think. Did you understand the concept?
Yes, yes.
In this question, we have to keep on observing. Otherwise, we won't be able to solve these questions. Observation is important here.
I got the answer.
Yeah.
I got the answer to the next one.
Wow, good observation. Right. Now tell me the answer.
4.
Huh?
Answer's 4.
Good. Good. Um,
Can I try the
explain.
next one?
Uh,
Oh, explain.
yeah.
So first I did 21 divided by 7 because I knew they go into each other.
Hmm.
21 divided by 7 was, I got 3. Then if I
Yeah.
do 3 take away 2 will get me 1, so that's my answer. But then if I check with this one so it matches up, so I can do it with this one, I got 24 divided by 4 equals to 6. Take away 2 is 4 and 4 is what is inside. So that's correct. So I have to do 48. Then we know. Oh, wait. Wait. Yeah. So I have to do 54 divided by 9 to get 6. 6 take away 2 is
Okay.
4.
Right.
So
Good.
if I try the next one, then I think I should try the first example with this one. So like
Yeah.
12 plus 8 first, 20. To get 32, it's plus 11. I don't think you'd do that. 3 plus 1 equals to 4. Plus 11 does not get you to 1. Um, if I do 12 times 8, but it wouldn't work here.
I guess second, that is being hard. We can work with this option. This is kind of easy. So, 3. No.
That will be wrong, yeah.
Let's double it. Double this number and then add this number.
Oh,
Double it and then add.
so double it would be 6. Plus 1, yeah. So 12 double it would be 144.
Hmm? 12 double 144?
No, it would be 24
Yeah. And
plus,
8.
yeah,
Yeah, that works.
yeah. So do the answer is 30.
Correct. These were good questions. Yeah.
Yeah. Can we stop now? I'm
You're
tired.
tired?
Yeah.
Okay. I just wanted to give you homework, so just let me
Yeah.
add something.
Uh-huh.
This was the turn for mathematics. I just wanted to jump on. Just give me a moment, and we'll
Uh-huh.
just get Give me a moment, we'll get off. I just let me assign you a work, right? Um, when did you arrive from your school?
6:30. No, I think it was
6:30.
6.
Okay.
I think it was 6. Because I eat, I come home at 6:15 and then I eat.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So I have something here that I'll just show you. Okay. The mathematics this time, right? So you can see my screen now.
Yes, no. It's loading. Yes, I can
Yes,
see, yeah.
no.
Okay.
Like hmm,
So I think
here.
let me see if I've got the same book. Okay, I'll probably find it. I can't find it right now. I'll probably find it. And if I can't find I think it's here. Oh, okay, yeah.
Are you able to solve these questions? Are you able to solve these questions or not?
Yeah, but I think I've done lots of them already.
Okay, let me know till which test you've done.
I've done a lot.
Math's your favorite?
Yeah. I've definitely done above test 19.
Okay.
So yeah, test 20 is what I'm on. Yeah.
Okay, great. All right, then we can start from test 20 because later on we may revise from beginning. That's not the issue.
Mm-hmm.
Let us let us start from test 20. Yeah?
Is the homework going to be
Test
20?
20 done or
I need to do it 20. I need to do it.
like which page number test like
Um,
20?
63. Yeah.
Uh, would you need my help or you can just try it?
Can I do this in homework? Actually, I've got
Yeah,
a different.
yeah.
This is a different book to yours. So so can I
Okay.
do homework?
That is a different book. Can you tell me which one is here? Right. This here, any book?
Can you move
Maths.
down?
It's not uploaded yet.
Yeah, it's this one. 11. So the first row, second to the left, second to the right.
This one.
Yeah, but this is the one that you clicked.
Yes, I already clicked that. I guess it is not uploaded.
Yeah.
Okay, kindly inform your mom to upload that book, right?
So this book
Yeah, the
comes.
book we were having.
It's
Yes.
over there, but he already opens it. But when it comes on here, it's a different question to what he had. So I think there's two books of it, and this one's not.
It is 10 to 11. You are also checking 10 to 11. No? And it is GL assessment.
Make it sure. Yeah. Make it sure,
Yeah,
Prasa, if that.
same only.
So then why content is matching? Prasa, check it once again.
Can you open the first page?
Maybe it is an old book and the online content they have updated for this particular book.
Yeah, the
Okay,
first page
I'm just
is the
showing.
same. The first page is the same. Can you go on the next page?
Yeah, test 1, check it.
No, this is different.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, but this is the same.
No, this first page is different. Everything is different.
Yeah.
We will see if there is
No
any-
problem. Then you can do one thing, Prasha. You can share the pages of that page, the page you are going to
Yeah.
attempt. You can share it with me.
Yeah.
If possible, share it with me right now so I can also see that what you're going to attempt.
Okay.
Just
So
click the
after,
picture. Yeah, right now. Yes, I will check it.
okay. And I can see it.
Yeah, text just in the group. You can share right now.
Can you see it?
Just click a picture and just post it in the group right now so I can see.
Yeah, my mom will do that after the class.
Are you able to solve those questions? I just wanted to make it sure.
Yeah.
You want the picture, Kusha?
Hmm.
Tell me, huh? Which one you want?
Oh, so this is the book that you.
This is the book that he is showing you, correct?
Yeah. Pretty cute. Okay. Yeah. We'll see.
This one you can solve, no?
Yeah.
This is a different.
Just yeah, just you can send me the picture if you can possibly send now. I can see
So
that.
sir, there are 2 books. One is GL assessment and one is CEM. The one you are showing is CEM.
Okay. So that book is not uploaded.
GL book is not uploaded, is it? Maths GL.
I can only see this. Yeah, I can only see this here. Only this book is here, and not else. No, only this book I can find here for maths. Perhaps if you can upload that, that would be nice. This is CM for the CM test.
CM, we got the CM then here.
But she's preparing for GL, right?
Yes, but preparation wise we can do. I think they just say that it is a
No,
mixed kind of test, but you can go ahead with this as well as part of practice. But yeah,
yeah,
she's
but
for GL.
yeah, it would be nice that firstly we cover GL syllabus, then we can go for further with extra question from CM or other.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. I just wanted to check like which page she's going to attempt, so I can have.
I'm gonna put the GL one from my book, page
Yeah,
63, test 20.
but I'm unable to find it. Like if you can share the picture or what.
No, my mom is gonna add the thing in your thing that you have, like your thingy.
Wait, no, I'm not sure if this will get added. Yeah, it is added now. You refresh the
Okay,
page.
wait, let me refresh. Yes, wait. Yeah, this one, right?
Yeah.
Yes, just give me 2 minutes, please. Then we will just.
Test 20, page 63. Yeah, from this book.
And earlier you have done all the things like till test 19.
Yes, I've done all of them. Yeah, with my parents. Like
this, you did yourself. Huh? It is already done by somebody.
I did this my whole thing.
You did thing, huh?
Yeah, me and
Who
my.
checked the answers?
I did it with my dad, so my dad checked.
Are you sure, Trisha?
Yeah.
So everything is correct, huh?
No, not everything. Like we discussed it if it's wrong or something like that.
It does.
Okay.
Yeah, she has done everything.
So do you wish
right.
to till 19, right?
Yeah, yeah.
All right. So this is what you need to attempt. Okay.
Yeah.
How many questions are there total?
10.
10. Okay. So would you need my assistance in this, or would you would try like if there is any
No, I
kind of
think I can
stuff?
do it. Should I do 20 and 21?
20, 20th and wait a moment, yes. And 21. This thing. Yeah, you may try both of the page tests. And sometimes this
Time.
also helps, like this is not
So
particularly related to syllabus. We will talk about this in coming class.
it
Okay.
it says
Yeah.
if you go on the first page, yeah, on 21 or in all of the tests, it said you have 10 minutes to do this test. So do I actually do it in 10 minutes? Because when the timer comes up, I'm like, oh my god, what's happening?
You can try doing it in 10 minutes in the beginning, right? And then just you can submit that.
You just note down the time.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
And you note down your time, and what happens, like when you see like you were unable to attempt the questions, you may like firstly you will just keep those questions in that deadline the set kept set for 10 minutes. But if you are unable to solve within that time frame, then you can solve further questions after just noting the time,
Yeah.
right? You will
Yeah.
just let me know that how many questions you were able to attempt in 10 minutes, right? Okay, so that's the work. Did you get what I said or not?
You said you can try to attempt it, and if it goes over time, then that's okay.
Yes, but note it honestly so I can get an idea, like, what speed you're working at, right? Okay, anything else you want to ask?
No.
Okay. All right then, Prisha. Thank you for attending to this session. Enjoy your time and submit your homework.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.